The culture between Mexico and the United Arab Emirates, it's very important because we are so far, and sometimes the people think that Emirati people is so different to the Mexican people, and it's not true. And with this kind of exhibition, we show how we have some similarities, some values also, the same values, and how the art become universal in this world, and especially in this timing COVID. We knew an Emirati woman who calls Moza, and she showed me the artist, the Italian artist, who is Enrico Di Maria. And since I see this beautiful landscape and flowers, I thought, well, I really would like to do an exhibition with this Italian artist. And at the same time, I have already have a Mexican artist, who is Leonardo Partida, with these beautiful eyes. So I say, well, I have two components: the eyes looking the landscape of Enrico Di Maria. So I have two these important and relevant artists. And then I discussed the idea with Attaché Cultural Nawal Bulos, who is really doing a very good job in the embassy. And she told me, well, we can add an Emirati artist and another Mexican artist. And that's why we reached these four artists, one Emirati, one Italian, and two Mexican.
اليوم أنا مشاركة في السفارة المكسيكية في أبوظبي، ومشاركتي هاي بطريقة طبعاً جميلة جداً، لأن خاصة في وقت صعب، والوقت اللي نحن فيه حالياً مع الكوفيد 19، فهذا يبين كم أن السفارة تدعم الفنانين وتعطيهم البلاتفورم أو تعطيهم المجال إنهم يظهرون في الساحة الفنية، مش بس الساحة الفنية، الساحة السياسية، لأنها السفارة.
At some point, I wanted to paint something really beautiful, and for me there's nothing more beautiful than women's eyes. I believe they're perfect gems. I believe also in gender equality, and in eyes, they tell a story. They're, like everyone says, a window to the soul, and that's actually what it is. So for me, seeing myself reflecting women's eyes, I think it's a perfect combination.
First of all, I would say that art has no boundaries, so nationality really doesn't matter. There is quite commonalities between artists. I'm not saying that people copy each other, but there are influence, and you follow this influence. So a lot of paintings and painter come together. This work has been done somehow in isolation. Actually, I did the majority of this painting during the COVID period. My thought at that time were going back to my favorite subjects, which is the view and the landscape in the Mediterranean, the sea. When Mrs. Francisca, the ambassador of Mexico, asked us to make this exhibition, she was trying to find a common theme, and the theme was in the eyes of nature. Having a look at the various work of art, a lot of these are representing nature, and also the eyes with which you look at nature.